What is going on, guys? I'm Tech Series. Today I'm back with another video. In this video I'll be showing you the new best illuminator for your iPhone device. This illuminator works for iOS 14 too. Let's get into the video. So guys, the first thing we have to do is you're gonna go to your any browser and you're gonna search up skitty.xyz. The link will be in the description. Just go there and click the link and it automatically take you to this page. After you run this page, you can read this. You can download the Pokemon Go and it will say like this: no longer will be having worry about finding a signed app download that could be revoked at any time. Web-based of Illuminator are now the future. This will never get revoked and you can't have this app for any iOS device. Just click go and you're gonna click the share button in the middle and you're gonna scroll down and you're gonna click add to your home screen. Click add and it's automatically added to your home screen. After that, you're gonna go and open it. You can see there's no games right here. I'm just gonna show you how to add those Illuminators games. So all you're gonna do is just click the plus button in the top right corner and after that you're gonna click source and click this one and you can see there's a tons of games like Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon. There's like four kind of Pokemon, like more than four. There's Sonic. Let me just say if I want to play a Pokemon, just go there and open it. It will say Pokemon Yellow was added to your library. Click OK and go back and you'll see Pokemon Yellow added to your Illuminator. Just go there and open it. You can see like this thing is so amazing and it's working. Just click start. You can't even hear the sound. Sorry for the sound. And so guys, you can see it working 100%. This is pretty much what I want to show you for today. If this works for you, let me know in the comment section. If this helped you out, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and peace.